you will need to configure the workflow. This defines the policies Omni will follow, which engines it will use, and how the result will be delivered. In the basic information step, I will name this workflow Know Your Business for Singapore reason. Click Next. We'll be building a KYB AI agent designed for corporate entities based in Singapore. If there are any policies or rules you'd like Omni to reference when conducting KYB for Singapore entities, you can add them on this page. The AI agent will use this information as a basis for reading the document you upload. I will bring the template over here. Click Next. Now select the engine you want to use. Since this demo doesn't cover individual AML screening, I will only select Text Verifier. 2 engines are currently available and more will be added in the future. Click Next. Here, you can define the format of the result Omni will produce. You can either use the field builder to set this up manually, or upload your own schema through the JSON schema input feature. I will bring my JSON schema input feature. The best result, we recommend following the schema writing guide shown at the bottom of the page. It helps Omni generate more accurate outputs. Click Create Workflow, and your workflow is ready to go. Click Continue. Now it's time to upload the actual document that Omni will analyze. Create profile and give your profile a name. I'll name this one Singapore KYB Basic. Click View Detail and click Add Item to upload the required document for Singapore KYB, the Certificate of Incorporation and the ARCA business profile. I will upload each of them now. COI. Click Add. COI is successfully uploaded. Click Add Item for Business Profile. Click Add. All documents have been uploaded successfully. Now, click Analyze Profile. Omni will now read the document and generate results based on the policies, engine, and the schema we configured in the earlier steps. On this result page, you can review the output Omni has produced. And that wraps up this basic setup guide for Omni. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.